What's up, buddies? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about XYO Token, guys. First of all, guys, if you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about XYO coin. Guys, you know what? XYO coin in a right now situation in a cryptocurrencies, XYO is only a profitable coin in the market. You can see here, guys, that the changes occurs in the last 24 hours. XYO changes is about 11% positive, 11.18% positive. That's mean that 11% the XYO price increased just in the 24 hours. Furthermore, guys, other side, if you talk about the price of XYO, so 0.0479 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO coin. So you can see here now the live update of XYO that the price is increasing. Every hour the price pumps. So guys, that is opportunity with all of you to invest in a XYO. Especially my advice for short-term investor, those people who want to invest in a crypto for short time. You can see the price change live. So those people who want to invest in a XYO for short time, so I really recommend for him that please invest now in a XYO. Just invest in a XYO to the last of September. Just. And I hope, guys, I'm sure about that at the last of September you can get a huge profit from XYO coin. You can get a huge profit. So personally, my recommendation for everybody is that please hold it. Don't decide to sell. You can see from a price chart, absolutely in the previous time the price is very highly pumped, but now in the latest situation, not a big jump occur in the XYO, but other side if we look, so the changes is positive. That's why I recommend for you. Anyways, guys, what you think about XYO future? I'm sure, guys, you can see now the changes is about 13% positive. So now everything is on the front of your eyes, guys, that it is a profitable, so everybody knows it is a profitable. Guys, hope you like this update video. Please click the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.